Okay, here is another video that is going to provide you as the viewer with an option to actually vote on which home design you would like to see for my next home building project. Now, I think I've already done about 5 of these, but this is actually going to provide you with an opportunity to select a house design that you might be a little more interested in instead of me selecting the design for you. Now, the first thing I need to point out is that these homes are going to be built using the standard construction methods from the 1920s. So these are, I got these plans and the drawings out of a book from 1923, I believe. And was going to pick one myself, but figured, what the heck? I just crossed over 90,000 subscribers. Why not give a little bit back to the viewers? You get to pick. And if for some reason I don't get at least 100 million views on this particular video in the next 2 or 3 days, hey, I'm used to it. Don't worry about it. Don't let it bother you. But I do need to point out that if I don't get at least 100 votes out of my 90,000 subscribers, come on. If I don't get at least 100 votes within the next 3 days, then I'm just going to take it that most people aren't interested in this stuff, and I will pick the video myself and draw the video or draw all of the framing components, and I'll probably still put it on there here anyway, and you guys will have to suffer through it. So least you can do is pick the video you want to see. I'm just going to be providing the framing, possibly the plumbing, maybe the electrical. But if for those of you who watch my videos regularly, I think within the past month or two, I had another challenge that almost made it. I think it was to 200 thumbs up. It almost made it, and but it didn't. And I'm still going to provide the plumbing for that particular project. I got through the whole thing except for the rough plumbing, and I want to put a little more detail in that. So not too difficult. You get the opportunity to vote. I know you're going to have, some of you are going to have to actually sign in to YouTube. That could be a big problem for you, but sign in, cast your vote. Let us know if it's house number 11 or number 1, and I will tally up the score at the end of 3 days and put the winner at the top of the video description or the comment area and let everyone know who won.